Welcome! Today we're making a delicious homemade cherry pie with a flaky, buttery crust and a sweet, juicy cherry filling. It's perfect for holidays, family gatherings, or whenever you're craving a classic dessert. You'll need 2 pie crusts, 5 cups pitted cherries, 3/4 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 beaten egg for egg wash. Fresh tart cherries are traditional, though sweet cherries work too, with slight adjustments to the sugar and acidity. In a large bowl, combine the cherries, sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, and vanilla. Mix well until every cherry is coated. Let the mixture rest for about 10 minutes. Place 1 pie crust into a 9-inch pie dish and gently press it into the bottom and sides. Pour in the cherry filling and spread it evenly. Dot the top with small pieces of butter for extra richness. Cover with the second pie crust or create a beautiful lattice design. Trim the edges, seal them, and crimp with a fork or your fingers. Brush the top with beaten egg for a shiny golden finish. Bake at 400 degrees F, 200 degrees C, for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cherry filling is bubbling through the vents. Baking until the filling bubbles helps ensure the thickener is fully cooked. Allow the pie to cool for at least 2 hours before slicing. This helps the filling set beautifully and makes every slice picture perfect. Serve your homemade cherry pie with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. Enjoy every sweet, fruity bite, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy recipes.